Hi, this answer is based on the question asked by a parent, wherein she has mentioned that her child is using a particular word called buzzer. In every sentence, he is saying, every rhyme is singing. Okay, so one thing you can do is you can just ignore it and let it be and see in some days whether he is leaving that word, because sometimes what happens is we give it so much importance to the thing which we don't like in our children that it grows more when you give so much importance. So maybe you just leave it for some days and see what happens without giving any kind of power to that thing, like why are you using that word again and again. Well, what is this word about? I mean, asking questions about it, asking things related to buzzer word. Okay, don't try to do anything and just leave it as something your child is like going through and he is just enjoying that word. Another thing you can do is find out from where it started. Maybe he wants to talk something about that word buzzer. So it has some experience for him. For example, maybe some toy he has with that word buzzer toy or something. There is a connection with that word, with some experience which he enjoyed a lot. Because of that, he is using that word again and again. So find out what it is. Talk about it with him. Talk about the word buzzer and find out. Clear out his curiosity related to buzzer, what it is. So when you clear out the curiosity inside him, then he will be like using it less. He will not find it very interesting, maybe then. So you have to find out from your end, from where it started, why he is using it, what is the reason behind it. You have to find out so that you can come up with a solution to for him not to repeat that. Okay, so if you find out the reason, you will find the solution as well. For sure you will find. And third thing I want to say is there is nothing to worry about it really, because your focus should be how your child is using more words, more communication, more language. It really doesn't matter if he is stuck to one word and how to remove that. My If you ask me personally, I have to work on what more I can improve, what more experience I can give to my child, what more I can talk with my child about. That will be my focus. And my focus will not be on what I have to stop him from doing, I have to stop him from. Because when we are focusing a lot on what we don't want the child to do, that will get so much strength that will increase. So this is my way of dealing with it.